Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever had a question about a product and need shipping details or just want to clear something up before buying on AliExpress, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to live chat with a seller on AliExpress. It's quick and easy and a great way to get answer fast. First, open up your app. Once you are in the app, make sure you are logged into your account. If you are using the website, the steps are very similar. Next, search for the product you are interested in. It could be anything from electronics to fashion. Once you find it, tap on the product to open the detail page. Then just scroll a bit down. Here you'll see a message icon right next to your add to cart. Click on it. Now that you are in the chat window, you can type your message just like texting a friend. Type in your question, whether it's about shipping time, product details or anything else, and hit send. The seller will usually reply pretty quickly and you can keep the conversation going as needed. Easy, right? That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit on that bell notification so that you won't miss any of our videos.